our hotel. Hotel Monaco is right here, and Fisk & Co., the restaurant, is right next door. It is so well located within the city of Chicago, and the Riverwalk is right across the street. You'll have the Emerald Loop restaurant right in front of us. The famous Chicago sign is right down here. That's the famous Chicago sign. There's a Chick-fil-A, there is shopping, there's restaurants all along the street. There are theaters nearby. This is a really, really great location. If you are coming to Chicago, I highly, highly, highly recommend staying in the Loop. It's a great place to stay. Here's our hotel outside, and love it, love it, love it. How are you?
Thank you for coming.
Hi, we're quite early, but I have a reservation.
Oh, so check in?
Yeah, to check in.
All right, good to go there. I'm in the 14th floor.
Thank you.
And others will be ready to it.
All right, thank you so much. We're staying at the Kimpton Hotel Monaco Chicago, and we're going to be in room 1410 for just a few nights. This is gorgeous. And this is us. There we go. Hey, Frolic and Courage family, it is so good to see you. Welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Antoinette. I make videos on travel, food, and life. And today we are in Chicago, and we are staying at the fabulous Kimpton Hotel Monaco in Chicago. It is one of a very few number of boutique hotels. I love it, and I wanted to show you guys what a room looks like. I love giving these, so come on in, family. Let me show you how we're living today. When you first walk in, you walk into this nice long open space. The carpet is this gorgeous pattern. There's a texture on the wall. There's a print in the back. There are solid colors here, as you can tell. At this hotel, they are not afraid of color, and they are using it well. We are staying in a 1-bedroom king room deluxe riverfront, and y'all know what that means, so we're going to get to that in a second. First things first, we have a closet as soon as we walk into the door. The closet has a bunch of beautiful wooden hangers. There's also a safe, and the cool thing is we've got an umbrella and a yoga mat. It comes with an umbrella and a yoga mat and a safe. We even have here some gorgeous robes by Fret, a couple of different hangers with pant clips on it. We also have an iron and an ironing board to use, which is really nice and neatly tucked away. Next to the closet, we have a full-length mirror. Say hi, Hun. Hun's the cameraman. So we've got a beautiful full-length mirror, so we can do kicks and whatnot. I'm 5'3", Hun is 6'3", and you can still see yourself in the mirror, right?
Yep, I can still see myself.
Yep, see? He's shy, y'all. Say hi, Hun.
Hi.
See, he can still see himself in the mirror. I'll never be able to. Let's go over to the room. This is our gorgeous room. It has a massive TV with cable channels, a full dresser with a little miniature refrigerator here. There's nothing in it now, but that's okay. And the cool thing is these are soft closed doors, so none of that slamming business around here. We have 1, 2, and 3 drawers, and they are incredibly spacious. And they are soft closed as well. Next to our entertainment center / dresser, we have like a whole mini office suite. So if you needed to work here, or just, bring your laptop and watch a bunch of Netflix, you can do it at this gorgeous table. It's got a nice chair. We also have a telephone. It looks like a pen, but with an eraser. which is kind of cool. We also have a little art montage here, and of course, you gotta have like your classic ice bucket, right? And follow me over here to our nice glass drum. We have a nice little side chair, which is really comfortable. This is the first time that I'm sitting in this, and it is incredibly, so very comfortable. We've been walking all day, and I kind of don't want to get up. You gonna finish the rest of this room tour, hon?
Oh, you did a good job.
Oh yeah, see that's code y'all for let's keep going. So there are 2 nightstands. This is a round one, and then we have a rectangular one over there with this QD Blue system where you can plug in 2 USB cables as well as 2 regular US plugs, and it's Bluetooth accessible. We've got lights here that you can dim or turn off and on. And this is our king size bed. That did not hurt at all, y'all, for real. It's really soft and really big, which is nice. On this side, we have another chest of dresser drawers. There are 3 drawers in here. That's soft close, and you have another telephone in case you need it. Oh, and I can't forget, y'all. I cannot forget the best part of this room. Look at this. Look at this. Come on in. This is incredible. You have like your own soft pad like nook. And when we say Riverfront, let me take you guys, let me show you guys this. When we say Riverfront, y'all see that right there? That is in fact the river. This is the view from this sweet little cushiony, well-designed seat right here. Y'all, we just look out the window and bam, there goes the beautiful river. Didn't expect that one, did you, babe?
No.
But you like it?
I love it.
And that is the Riverwalk right there. So it's really, quite literally, right across the street from the Riverwalk. If you get tired of the view, you just have to drag the curtains over, and we have massively tall blackout curtains. And then when you want light, bring it back. Lord said, let there be light. We have this beautiful art everywhere. So very, very stylish. We've got it over the desk. We've got a little bearded man right over there. Now, of course, we have the bathroom. This, like, y'all, when I look for different hotels, I look for a couple of things. I kind of have these, like, same sets of standards. I look for hotels that are at or near public transportation, a higher than 4-star rating with over 100, well over 1,000 of reviews. And the pictures look really nice. Because you know, sometimes in hotels, the pictures look really nice. Then you get there and you're like, But not the hotels that I tend to pick. I tend to look at the hotel websites. I want to see Google user photos, y'all. Like, when y'all look for hotels, do you look for user photos too? Like, comment down below. Are you that person like me? And I want to go on Oyster to see what it really looks like. And if I like the way the room looks, then I'm like, okay, I'll put it on the maybe list. But the bathroom, y'all can make or break it. And y'all know. Y'all know. So let's go to the bathroom. We have one sink here. These drawers do not open, but we also have towels and space down below. We have our cups, we have our standard tissue, our soaps, and our toiletries. Yes, our toiletries are from Atelier Blum. This is eucalyptus, lemon, white, flower, sandalwood, orchid, mandarin, and citrus soap, and it smells really good. And in this corner here, we have a bunch of other things like, you know, Q-tips and little cotton balls and cotton swabs and whatnot. The cool thing is, if you like the soap, you can actually buy some at the front desk. If you forgot something, like lip balm or a coffee maker or a sewing kit, shaving cream, makeup mirror, humidifier, international plug adapter, you just go right on down to the front desk and get it done. And then we have our shower. Look at, did you expect that from the tiles, y'all? Like, when I opened this, I was like, yo, whoa, that is bold. But it's so really cool, and it's got a rain shower head and this nice kind of curved section here. So when you're washing and your elbows are like flapping, then you have some space. We've got our toilet, some beautiful art. The colors are like black, whites, grays. It's really a stylish hotel, and that's what I love about it. I love boutique hotels because they inject a ton of style style. And so this is how we're staying. This is where we're living, and I can't wait to try the bed. We'll give you an update on how soft the bed actually is after a night stay. We'll give you an update on the pillows. And this room also has breakfast included at Fisk & Co., which is like an oyster bar that's attached to the property. So it is the next day. We have slept in this fabulous, woohoo, king-size bed at the Kimpton Hotel. We told you guys we would give you like a little bit of a review. How'd you sleep, babe?
That slept really good.
Yeah, I slept really well too. It's a king-size bed, and Hun is 6'3". So his legs, if you want to lay down, babe, and show them. So y'all know, that's right, get your shoes off. So when he lays down, like, I'll try to, like, his feet come, like, smack to the end of the bed. But again, he's 6'3", so, what did you do, babe? Did you just, like, curl your feet up?
Yeah, I always like fold my legs up.
Yep, so he just folded his legs up. And for me, you guys know, like, there is plenty of space for 5'3" me. Look, he's all the way up there and I'm down here, and I'm good to go. But in terms of the softness and comfort, this bed was definitely soft. The pillows were really light and fluffy, and we got 2 of them each. And they were very comfortable. I don't have any pain in my neck, in my back. I slept really, really well. Babe's like, I don't want to get up. The temperature control worked lovely. No issues with the temperature, and you can kind of tell how soft the pillows are. Look, let me just push my hand in there. Oh, look at that, and see how it just like bounces back. Like, that is amazing. And you can kind of see there's like little, it's hard to tell from the camera, but you can see like little cross section patterns, like little diamond patterns in this, and you can kind of press the bed to feel how soft it is, but it's not so soft that you're just gonna like melt in like a Tempur-Pedic. We have a Tempur-Pedic at home. This is not it, but this is springy and very soft. We slept well, right, babe?
We did.
And so that is a full tour of a King Deluxe room, Riverfront with breakfast at the Kimpton Hotel Monaco in Chicago, Illinois. Stay tuned, because tomorrow we're gonna go to some of Chicago's top attractions. We're gonna get artsy, and you don't want to miss it. So, and you also don't want to miss what the food looks like at Fisk & Co. If you like this video, be like this guy, right? Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and Frolic Courage family, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.